Hello everyone, welcome to Scodeen Global. Let's install Python on your computer. Go to any browser, type Anaconda, Python, enter. So here we'll get this first link, that is www.anaconda.com. Click on this Anaconda distribution. So this is the website for Anaconda distribution. Come down. So in Anaconda installers, we have options for downloading Anaconda for Windows, Mac operating system, Linux operating system. Currently I am on Windows operating system. In Windows operating system for Python 3.9 there are two options. One is for 60-bit, 64-bit graphical installer. Another is 32-bit graphical installer. So the installation steps for both will be same. In my current machine I have 64-bit architecture. So I am going to click on this particular link. So you see this download is started. This application is nearly of 600 MB, but this is worth of installing because once we install this Anaconda installer, we don't have to take care of any other installations, so that we can focus on our learning. So I will meet you once this is downloaded completely. So this download is completed. Now click on this arrow, click on show in folder. So you can see this is our application which we have downloaded. Double click on this. This pop-up will appear. Click on next. Then click on I agree. Install for, it is just for me. So click on next. So this is the default path where this application will be installed. Here also click on next and keep this register Anaconda 3 as my default Python 3.9 and click on install. So installation is started. So this installation is going to take time. I will be back once this installation is completed. So this installation is completed. Now click on next. Again click on next and click on finish. So here you can see there will be some web pages which will be open. You can close them. Okay, go to the search bar, search for Anaconda. So here you can see I have Anaconda navigator. Click on it. So this Anaconda navigator is getting initialized. So this is the interface for this Anaconda navigator. So here are different IDEs available to write our Python code. such as Jupyter Notebook, then Spider, then PyCharm. Okay. So as a fresher or beginner, it is always advised to start your Python journey with Jupyter Notebook. So I'm going to click on launch. So a web page will be opened. So go on new, click on Python 3. So this is the cell where we'll be writing our Python code. Let's write our first Python code, that is print hello world. Hello world. And execute this cell. So here we go. We have executed our first Python code. Thank you.